This is like continuation part 3 of January 19th, 2024 Rancho Night Ride. A lot of good footage, so I just split up into 3 videos. Not bad for the Bel Drive. Huh? Not bad for a Bel Drive. No. That's some thick shit down there. Oh, he couldn't spin them, dude. Hey, nice and slow, I'm just winching. So Aiden showed me this trail. It's like a gnarly clay dike road, and it's got water on both sides. Super rutted up and good thick mud on the actual like high ground. And if you drop off into the sides, it's just full of cypress knees. So really cool area to explore. Nice! No, I'll just push him around. So this poor rancher is a testament to all things Honda. It got neutral dropped about 1,000 times, slammed into trees and ruts and stuff, and flipped over, I think 3 times. And it didn't even get water in the oil, and it's just, you know, performing great. Try that on literally anything else.
He's a North Carolina boy, he don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Just lean it over.
Hey, oh, he's got it.
It's moving. I wonder if some side-by-side came and dug this shit out. That rut looks pretty deep. Badass hole.
When it was dry though.
That little 300 though walked right through this hole.
No way. He's looking right through it.
Fuck no, you can't. It's just music, you can't make money on it. Dylan's gonna be famous.
Dylan,
Dylan, you're gonna be famous!
Oh! He's floored it. Yep, sideways.
This bike's never done this good before.
Dude, it's working awesome. Fuck. Oh no!
Take that bitch
Nice! Oh. Not bad, not bad. This is that big clay hole near the washout. The left side of the hole right here is passable. I got through it a couple times with some careful balance. The right side of the hole, I buried the Can-Am and that 300 in earlier. It's just gnarly. I'm not sure what can make it through this hole. It's just got no bottom. And if it was dry, I mean, it would just stop you in your tracks. It is some seriously sticky clay. And I love that because you can't find that at Rancho or at Holopal or
Never got
what do you call it? Oh no! There's also a few nice clean water ponds, like the one I'm in right here near the parking lot in Rancho, which is super convenient to rinse off your machine before loading it in the back of the truck or on the trailer. Saves you a lot of time washing it, power wash it with the horsepower, basically. I wish Holopol had this because I always end up bringing home about 100 pounds of Holopol sand in the bed of the truck.